Do you find yourself constantly working with the data in Google Sheets? Maybe you are a student organizing the notes, or perhaps you are just keeping the track of your finances. Whatever the reason, a well-formatted table can make all the difference. I'm Akash, you're watching Candid.Technology, and in this video we are talking about how to create table in Google Sheets. Creating tables on Google Sheets is quite simple. If you want to create a table on a blank worksheet, just click on the Insert tab and then click on the Tables option. On the right side of the screen, you will find various pre-built tables offered by Google Sheets. Just choose the table of your choice. And if you want to add the rows below the table, you can just enter the number over here and then click on the Add button. And if you want to edit the table, you can just click on this arrow, and here are various options available, like you can rename the table from here, adjust table range, turn off alternating colors, and you can also use customize table colors. If you want to revert to unformatted data, just click on this option, and you can also delete the table from it. To edit these columns, you just have to click the arrow in that column, and here are other options like edit column type. You can just change it to number, text, date, or drop down menu. And here you can sort the column. You can also add filter column, and if you want to insert another column, you can just click on this option. And if you want to add smart chips, just right click on the cell of the column and then click on the smart chips. You'll find various options, like if you want to add people, file, calendar, events, and various other options. If you want to make it a drop down menu, you can just click on the drop down, and that's all. And if you want to create a table of a data that you already have, then just simply select the data, right click, and then click on the convert to table option. And that's how you can convert your data into a table. If this video helped you, give us a like, consider subscribing to our channel, press the bell icon, and share your thoughts in the comments below. If you want to know more about tech, visit our website Candid.Technology, follow us on social media, and we'll see you in the next video.